guys, it's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, we're going to make a ghost Halloween lollipop. We're going to dress up these lollipops that I got at the Dollar Tree a few days ago. They're called tongue painters, bubblegum pops, and they're really awesome. They're actually black, and in the inside it has black cherry. This one has black grape, and I thought it would be awesome to use for a Halloween party. I'm gonna have a little gathering with my family and friends, and so there's not gonna be a lot of people coming, but there are gonna be a few, and I wanted to have some like goodies ready for them to just grab onto and just make like the atmosphere, you know, fun. So I made these little ghost lollipops, super simple. I mean, literally it took me like 2 seconds to make these. I'm not even joking. I showed you guys already how I kind of, in a really fast and easy way, dressed up this little box that's going to be holding the lollipops. I showed you a quick video on that, and I talked to you guys about where I found the box and to keep an eye on these boxes when you go shopping. Everything is going to be linked at the bottom of this video. We're just gonna do this little ghost lollipop, and I'm going to show you how I did this in like 2 seconds. Okay, literally 2 seconds. So what I decided to do was I decided to make only 5 lollipops that have little ghosts. And then the rest of the lollipops I left by itself because I just really love how the paper wrap looks, you know, and how kind of like Halloween inspired. It kind of gives it a nice vibe. So I didn't want to cover all of them. So I still need 2 more to finish. And so I'm going to show you guys really quickly and really fast how I did this. What I'm using is a jumbo size cupcake liner. I'm going to use 2 because we're going to create 2 ghosts. Listen, if you don't have a jumbo size cupcake liner, you can use tissue paper, you can use regular paper, you can use filter paper like a coffee filter. You can use that too if you want. You can use fabric, you can use lace, you can use tulle. There's millions of ways on how to create this project. So do not feel sad if you don't have some kind of like cupcake liners to work with. Just look around your house. I'm sure you'll find something. Listen, if you can't find anything, if you have a white sheet, like a bed sheet, you can use that as well. It's very simple, very simple. So here we go. I took my jumbo cupcake liner. I put my lollipop that I want to cover right in the center of it. I basically just covered the lollipop around with the jumbo cupcake liner, and I basically just squished it against each other, just like that. Now I don't want my ruffles to be flat, so try when you're squishing your lollipop against your cupcake liner that you're only squishing the round part. You're not squishing the edges because you don't want this to be flat. You want this to be fluffy, okay? So basically just keep it like that so it can take its shape. And then, simple, take a twine, take a ribbon, take lace, take anything you have. You're going to wrap this around, okay, your lollipop so that you can secure it. Basically just like that. You're going to double knot it, okay, and then you're going to fluff it up a little bit, and that's basically all I did. Okay, that's it. That's all I did. Let's do this one. Same thing again. You're going to get the twine. You're going to wrap it around. Make it a little bit tight, but not too tight, okay? double knot it, and that's it, guys. You should get something like this. Basically, that's all you're gonna get. Literally, that's it. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna finish it off by adding the googly eyes, and then we're done. That's it. It's the simplest project in the entire world. I'm not even kidding you when I say this. It's super duper simple. Hold on, let me get another googly eyes. Okay, so we're gonna hot glue the googly eyes. I'm gonna use a little bit of hot glue. I'm not gonna use too much, just a little tab of hot glue. I'm gonna add it to the front of your lollipop, and then another hot glue dab to the other googly eyes. And that's basically it, guys. That's all you're gonna get. Literally. That's it. That's all you're gonna get. Let's do the same thing with this one. Hold on. There goes one googly eye. Goes another googly eye. And we're done. And that's it. Literally, that is all you're going to do. Now, what I also wanted to do was, I don't have the little tiny pom-poms. I wish I did, but I don't have the little tiny pom-poms. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how many I have. I'm going to add 3 blacks and oranges, I guess. Oh, actually we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, perfect. We have 5 blacks. So I'm going to add 5 little tiny pom-poms onto my little ghost, just to give it a cute little look to it. And I want to add the pom-poms right here in the center of the twine. Okay, so I'm going to add a dab of hot glue. I'm going to add the pom-poms right in the center of the twine. Dab of hot glue, pom-pom right in the center. I'm going to grab these that I have here that I already created, and I'm going to do the same thing with these. And that's basically it, guys. This is going to look so cute. Display somewhere in your kitchen, table, counter, I don't know, your area where you're going to be entertaining for Halloween. It's just going to look super, super cute. And it's going to give your Halloween party a nice little atmosphere, right? It's going to be a nice atmosphere. And that's it. That's literally all I did to these little pom-poms. I didn't do much to the pom-poms. Just added the pom-poms in the middle. That's it. That's all I did. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's so simple. I know. Super duper easy. But I wanted to show you this because this is what I'm going to use for my little gathering. And I thought it would be a good idea to just kind of display in a little corner somewhere. It's going to look super adorable. I'm definitely going to take pictures and show you guys how it's going to look once I'm ready to display it. But just to give you an idea, that is what I am working on. Alright, my loves, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about these super easy lollipops. I hope you enjoy watching me make these, and I hope this really gives you some inspiration and some ideas. I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. I'll see you soon. Bye, honey bunnies.